Okay, so here's the deal. I got a K1 Suzuki GSXR 1000. I just replaced the clutch pack. Since replacing it, I've had a problem starting the engine where the starter doesn't catch all the time. Sometimes I have to kind of bump it or put it in gear and push it in third gear to move. It feels like I have to move the gears a little bit, the transmission, and then bump the starter again. I'm going to try to recreate that sound here, so hopefully somebody can let me know what's going on, give me some ideas. I just finished taking the starter idle gear out and putting it back in the correct assembly procedure according to the manual. But this is what it sounds like. Battery's fully charged. So at this point, sometimes I just have to bump it a bunch of times. And it catches. Doesn't matter if it's hot or cold. Shift's fine, runs fine, everything's good except for starting.